there is another startup which did make it, which is Zepto, Krishna.
Right. The question as far as quick commerce business has always been about unit economics. Now, unit economics has been the problem. Whether do you make money per delivery? This is the cost of delivering 8 and 9 minutes, whatever be the item that you're delivering. What about the cost to incur and how much do you charge? That question, Shweta, if you ask me, be it Zepto or be it Dunzo, I don't think that question is yet to be answered by everybody, because the dominant platforms, say like Swiggy, Instamart is still very much an umbrella, under the umbrella of the entire the Swiggy as a company. So, it's very difficult to figure out whether Instamart alone makes money or not, because Swiggy is yet to put out money, data of whether Swiggy Instamart on its own is profitable or not. And then again, there are questions about Blinkit again. We don't know whether Blinkit is profitable. Do we know Zomato is profitable? Yes, it's a listed company. In fact, became a multi-bagger of a stock this year. So that is the case. So if you ask me at this stage, just the questions over quick commerce delivery and the value in terms of its unit economics, the questions over its unit economics is yet to be answered.
But see, it looks like Zepto seemed to have answered that question. A 14-fold growth in this financial year, the last financial year, 2023, becoming a $1 billion company. It looks like Zepto did something right that perhaps other competitors did not.
So, Shweta, I think, unicorn is a misnomer in the context of unit economics.
Yes.
It's a function of what you're valued at, and your valuation is derived by investors on the basis of future cash flows coming into the company. So, are there cash flows at present? Yes, cash is circulating. Is that cash going into the green or the red territory is what the question on unit economics really is. So you could be a $1 billion company. We were discussing Byju's some time back. Byju's was a $22 billion company but making losses. Right. So path to profitability and being a unicorn are actually both, if you ask me, there's no
mutually exclusive.
There's no correlation between them.
Mutually exclusive, if you ask me. And that's been proven again. If you were to sum up the India startup picture, even when global investors are extremely bullish about a startup idea that is created in India and is being experimented, and they can place huge bets because they're also looking at the macroeconomic picture of India, the demographic dividend of India, the purchasing power capabilities of Indians and the rising middle class. All of it points to the fact that a global investor should ideally invest in an Indian startup, especially if it is marketing itself to the Indian consumer, which is 1.4 billion people, and etc., etc. So global investors look at those macros and are bullish about any Indian startup. The only question is there enough proof in the pudding when it comes to a particular company? Is that making profits, or will it make profits anytime soon?